So this is how you can protect your IP address from WhatsApp calls. So let's say you're calling on WhatsApp and you're afraid that your IP might be leaked and that people can see through your Wi-Fi. Well, that is a common fear and a lot of people are afraid of it. So how do we fix this problem? Well, go to the App Store or the Play Store and then tap on search. Now what you're going to want to do is simply search for VPN. That's right, you're going to need a VPN. The sole purpose of a VPN is to hide your identity. With these kinds of apps, they can hide your identity from whatever website or from whatever app. So when you're calling on WhatsApp, your IP address will also be hidden. It might take a while to load, but maybe I'm pretty sure that's just me and my slow Wi Fi. But basically, you're going to want to find a VPN, which is very good. And if you want it to be free, there are some free VPNs, but you're going to have to look really good, like you're going to have to find it properly because there are way more VPNs that require payments, like those subscriptions that you see on different ads. So yeah, if you want a better VPN, if you want a VPN that actually works and actually protects your IP address, you're gonna need to pay because it might be a bit rare to find a VPN where it doesn't require any payments and it's a good app, like it actually helps you. So if you do find one, then that would be good for you. Just download it and then tap on it or activate it and then resume your WhatsApp calls. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.